everyone, welcome back to my channel Trading Edge again. So in today's video we will discuss about candlestick chart patterns. So we will analyze the candlestick patterns very logically, which will help us to execute our trades in the market very efficiently. Okay, so before we start, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel, because I always post learning videos regularly in this channel. So let's start. So what are candlesticks? See, candlesticks is a type of chart pattern that tells you the movement of a price in a particular time frame. So for example, say a stock opened at around 100 rupees, and during the entire course of the day the stock moved up and closed around 200 INR. So what is this indicating? That the prices made a substantial gain in the markets during the whole day, because it opened at 100 and closed at around 200. So prices have moved up very significantly towards the upside. So this representation of price behavior in the markets is represented by a candle. So this type of price pattern in the market is known as candlestick chart pattern. How does it help us? It helps us to determine the price behavior and take trades based on that analysis of price. Prices कैसे मूव कर रहा है, कहाँ मूव कर रहा है, क्यों मूव कर रहा है, उसका हम एनालिसिस करके हम अपने ट्रेड्स को बहुत ही इजीली मार्केट्स में एग्जीक्यूट कर सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ कैंडलस्टिक चार्ट पैटर्न. Okay, so I hope you got the definition of candlestick patterns. Okay, so there are three types of candlestick patterns. One is bullish candlestick, one is bearish candlestick, and another one is neutral candlestick. So in a bullish candlestick, say prices opened around this point, around 5 rupees. Okay, and during this time frame, say in a particular day, prices closed around 8 rupees. So during the whole day prices made a gain of 3 rupees. Okay, but what happened during the course of the day? Prices made a low of 2 rupees and also made a high of 10 rupees. So prices opened around 5, then prices made a low of 2 rupees, then again prices moved up significantly towards the upside, then again prices made a high of 10 rupees during the course of the day and closed around 8 rupees. So the pictorial representation of price during the whole day is like this in a candlestick chart pattern, because prices closed above the high of the opening price, so we will term it as bullish candlestick. Okay, and these are the two shadows or wicks in the market, because prices moved towards these levels. So this pictorial representation of price is represented in the form of candlestick, and because the prices closed above the open of the day and closed around 8 rupees, so we will term it as bullish candlestick pattern. Okay, so similarly in a bearish candlestick, say prices opened at around 8 rupees in the morning, but prices closed around 5 rupees at the end of the day. So what does it signify? It signifies that prices made a substantial loss during the course of the day. But during the course of the day also, prices opened around 8 rupees, but first it moved up and made a high of 10 rupees, then it sharply rejected and moved towards the downside, then made a low of 2 rupees, but at the end of the day it closed around 5 rupees. So the high and the low during the course of the day is represented by two shadows, and this price pattern is known as bearish candlestick price pattern, because the opening and the closing of the price is 8 rupees and 5 rupees respectively. So the closing is lower than the opening price. So this is indicating the prices have made a substantial loss during the course of the whole day. So we will term it as bearish candlestick chart pattern. Okay. And the next one is neutral candlestick. See, prices opened around these levels, then made a high of these levels during the course of the day, then again prices reversed back and made a low of these levels, and again closed around the same area from where prices opened. So this type of candlestick pattern where the opening and closing price of that stock in that particular day is the same is known as neutral candlestick price pattern. Okay. On looking at a candlestick, we need to identify two things. One is which kind of candle it is, and another is how much intensity as it has on that side. So as you can see, this is the most bullish candle and this is the least bullish candle. Why? Because prices open around this level and closed around the high of the day in that particular time frame. So bulls have completely dominated the price in this particular time frame. So this is highly bullish price behavior. इसी की वजह से ये एक bullish candlestick है. Okay. So the next one is, see, prices open around here, then sellers try to push the prices towards the downside, but यहाँ से फिर से buyers बहुत ही aggressive हो गए and they again push the prices towards the upside and closed around the high of the day. So this is also a very bullish price behavior, but it is less bullish than this candle. Why? Because in this candle prices have significantly moved up towards the upside without any selling pressure. यहाँ पर जो सेलिंग प्रेशर था वो बहुत ही एग्रेसिवली बुल्स ने एब्जॉर्ब कर लिया एंड प्राइसेस को अपने हाई के आसपास क्लोजिंग को शोकेस किया. बट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग हियर, यहाँ पर प्राइसेस ओपन हुआ था बट sellers have pushed the prices towards the downside, but then bulls came and again pushed the prices towards the upside and closed the prices towards the high of the day. So this is also bullish, but it is slightly less bullish than this. Okay. So the next one is, see, type of a neutral candle, but it is also a bullish candle because the opening price and the closing price is higher than the opening price. इसी की वजह से ये भी एक bullish candle है, but it is less bullish than this candle because the closing price is not around the high of the day and it is around the middle of the range of the whole day. Okay. And the next candle is type of a doji candle where the opening and closing price are somewhat similar, but it is still a bullish candle because the opening price is lower than the closing price. Closing price opening price से ज़्यादा है, इसी की वजह से ये भी एक bullish candle है, but it is less bullish than this candle. Now this candle is sort of a bearish candle because the closing price is around the bottom half of the 50% of the range of that candle. Okay. See, prices open around here, bulls push the prices aggressively towards the upside, but यहाँ से एक sharp rejection market में देखने को मिला and sellers push the prices aggressively towards the downside and close the prices around this level, which is below the 50% of the range of the entire day, so we can say that it is still a bullish candle, but sellers have gained control at this prices. Okay, and the last one is very less bullish, because prices open around here and prices close just around the 20% of the total range of the whole day. Prices moved up aggressively towards the upside, but sellers यहाँ पर बहुत ही aggressive थे, इसी की वजह से they pushed the prices aggressively towards the downside and closed around the bottom half of the 20% of the entire range of that day. Okay, so this is the graph of the bullish price behavior, and this is exactly the opposite of bullish price behavior. This is the most bearish and this is the least bearish. Because why? Because prices opened around here and sellers took control and prices closed around the low of the day. So bulls have been kicked out of the market and bears have aggressively pushed the prices towards the downside and closed around the low of the day. So during the course of the day sellers were very aggressive and powerful, इसी की वजह से prices एक sharp selling momentum यहाँ पर showcase किया. So this is a very bearish candle, and this is sort of a bullish candle because prices open around here. Sellers have pushed the prices aggressively towards the downside up till this point, but यहाँ से buyers बहुत ही aggressive हो चुके थे and they again pushed the prices towards the upside and closed around the top half of the total range of the day. It is around 20% of the total range of the whole day. So we can say that this is a very least bearish candle and type of a bullish candle. Okay, and these are exactly the same as the topics discussed in bullish price pattern. Okay, so the first type of candlestick pattern that we will discuss today is hammer. So in hammer, say prices opened around this point and sellers push the prices aggressively towards the downside, but यहाँ से buyers बहुत ही aggressive हो चुके हैं and they aggressively push the prices towards the upside and closed around the high of the day. Okay, same as this, prices opened around here, then sellers push the prices aggressively towards the downside, but यहाँ से buyers बहुत ही aggressive हो चुके थे and they again push the prices towards the upside and closed around top 20% of the entire range of the day. So we can say that this is also a hammer candle and this is also a hammer candle. So first of all we need to understand hammer कैंडल फॉर्म होने से पहले हमें क्या क्या चीज देखना पड़ेगा. प्राइसेस मस्ट बी इन ए डाउन ट्रेंड बिफोर इट फॉर्म्स. प्राइसेस एक डाउन ट्रेंड में होना चाहिए. देन इफ ए हैमर कैंडल फॉर्म्स, देन वी कुड से दैट प्राइसेस नाउ कुड रिवर्स. एंड ऑल्सो द साइज ऑफ द विक शुड बी एटलीस्ट ट्वाइस द साइज ऑफ द बॉडी. ये जो विक का साइज है, दिस शुड बी एटलीस्ट twice the size of the body. Color of the body doesn't matter, whether it is a red candle or a green candle, it doesn't matter. Next, small to no upper shadow or wick is preferable. यहाँ पर एक छोटा मोटा wick चलेगा, but if the wick is very large we will avoid that candle. छोटा मोटा wick यहाँ पर चलेगा. Okay, then a confirmation is required after it forms. See, डाउन ट्रेंड में अगर एक हैमर कैंडल हमें देखने को मिलता है, वी विल नॉट डायरेक्टली ट्रेड इट, वी विल ट्रेड इट आफ्टर ए कंफर्मेशन कम्स. say the high of this hammer candle is taken out, then we can enter with multiple confirmations with stop loss just below the low of this candle for a potential upside momentum. Okay, and always note that hammer forms after a downtrend and hanging man forms after an uptrend momentum. Okay, so now let's look at various examples. See, proper downtrend, hammer candle, trend change. Okay, so see, एक डाउन ट्रेंड में चल रहा था मार्केट, हैमर कैंडल फॉर्म हुआ एंड प्राइसेस एग्रेसिवली शूट अप टुवर्ड्स द अपसाइड. रिमेंबर, वी नीड ए कन्फर्मेशन. हैमर कैंडल का हाई यहाँ पर ब्रेकआउट हुआ, एंट्री एसएल, सीधा अपवर्ड मोमेंटम. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, वी डू नॉट ट्रेड सिंपली by analyzing the candlestick patterns. We analyze market structure, price behavior with volume, then we will take entry. But what does candlestick provide us? It provides us an entry criteria with multiple confirmation. Always remember, please take trades based on multi confirmation trade setups. Okay, you should analyze the market structure, then price behavior and also the volume. Then you should analyze the candlestick patterns at that price area, then look for a confirmation and take a trade and see the huge upside momentum after that. Okay, so if you haven't watched my market structure and price analysis videos, I recommend please to watch that videos. You will definitely gain a lot of knowledge from there. Okay, so now let's look at another example. See, proper downtrend, hammer, confirmation, trend change. Okay, see, यहाँ पर एक डबल बॉटम भी हमें देखने को मिल रहा है. लास्ट सेलिंग, लो वॉल्यूम, सी द uptrend after that. Okay, so always remember, don't trade just based on candlestick patterns. You should use multiple confirmation like price behavior, volume and market structure. Then you should combine it with candlestick patterns and use confirmation for entry purpose with stop loss and look for a trade setup which will give you maximum reward with less risk. Okay, see, proper downtrend, hammer candle, trend change. Okay, now see, very important concept. See the last selling happening here. Last selling, then a hammer candle with huge volume, structural breakout, but it was a fake breakout. As you can see, it formed a hammer, then confirmation, trend change. Okay, so I do recommend, please do watch my market structure trend analysis videos. You will definitely get a lot of insights from these videos, I can guarantee you that. So please do watch that. So let's look at next example. Proper downtrend, hammer, confirmation, trend change, and also see the structural price area. Okay, see, proper downtrend, hammer, confirmation, trend change, and also see the important support zone. So always remember, always take multi confirmation trade setups. Don't just trade based on candlestick patterns. You should always combine it with market structure, trend analysis and volume. Okay, so I do recommend, please watch my trend analysis and market structure videos. You will definitely get a lot of insight from these videos. Proper downtrend, hammer, confirmation, trend change. Okay, so I hope you are getting this point. Proper downtrend, hammer, confirmation, trend change. proper downtrend, hammer, confirmation, trend change. See how beautiful it works. Now we'll look at another type of candlestick pattern, and that is hanging man. See, hammer and hanging man looks very similar, but there are little distinct properties in hanging man. In hanging man, prices must be in an uptrend before it forms. Uptrend, then hanging man, then our trade setup is very formidable and valid. The size of the wick should be at least twice the size of the body. ये जो wick का size है, it should be at least twice the size of the body. Color of the body doesn't matter, whether it is red or green, it doesn't matter. Okay, and small to no upper shadow is preferable. अगर ये wick बहुत ही बड़ा है, we will ignore that candle, and always remember forms after a downtrend. Okay, hammer एक downtrend के बाद form होता है, and hanging man forms after an uptrend. So now let's look at some examples. See, proper uptrend, hanging man, confirmation, trend change. See the structural resistance zone also. So always remember, don't take trades just by analyzing candlestick chart patterns. You should always combine your candlestick analysis with market structure and trend behavior. Okay, and also volume. See, proper uptrend, hanging man, confirmation, trend change. Okay, proper uptrend, hanging man, confirmation, trend change. Confirmation, जब hanging man का low यहाँ पर break करेगा, then we get a confirmation that now prices could reverse with stop loss above the swing high. And always remember, don't take trades just by analyzing candlestick chart patterns. You should always combine it with the market structure, trend analysis, and of course volume. See, proper uptrend, hanging man, confirmation, trend change, and this was the last buying. This was the last buying. ये रिटेल ट्रेडर्स का बाइंग है, इसी की वजह से यहाँ पर एक एग्जॉशन कैंडल हमें दिखाई दे रहा है मार्केट में. हम इसको कैसे आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं? बिकॉज आफ्टर दिस ह्यूज बाइंग कैंडल वी सॉ ए हैंगिंग मैन एंड ए confirmation. Then we could realize that this was the last buying in this strong uptrend. Okay, so this is a pro tip. So do like my video if you found it useful. Proper uptrend, hanging man, confirmation, trend change. See how beautiful it works. यहाँ पर एक फेक अप मूव भी यहाँ पर देने की कोशिश की थी मार्केट ने आफ्टर ए ह्यूज अपवर्ड मोमेंटम, बट here was the first signal that market could reverse. मार्केट ने हमें पहले ही बता दिया था by forming a hanging man and then a fake out, then यहाँ पर breakdown with a strong bearish engulfing candle, and then see the downward momentum. Proper uptrend, hanging man, fake out, confirmation, trend change. See, very beautiful. Hanging man pattern works wonders in the market. Proper uptrend, hanging man, confirmation, trend change. So as you can see, it works 80% of the time in the markets. Proper uptrend, hanging man, confirmation, trend change. Okay, So I hope you got something very important learning from this video. अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also do comment down below if you have any queries related to this video. I will definitely try to answer each and every of your questions there. So see you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from my side. Take care everyone. Bye.